what more does a man want? Good food, a lovely girlfriend, and a holiday.
Cheers. Good morning, everybody. It's looking like a volcano sort of day.
It's a windy day out there, so let's see how this affects the queues. Here's the ticket booth on the right hand side. So this is where you can purchase your tickets before you get into the parks. So as soon as you get off the bus, you're going to head down this little ramp just at the side, and then you're going to go underneath a bridge, an underpass down there, into the park. Wow, look at all this bamboo. How cool. Do you like it?
Oh, brilliant. You're going to take me to Hawaii next year?
Oh, yeah, sure.
So we'll wear hula dresses, like the skirts, the grass skirts. Do the hula dancing. Yeah.
Hula, yeah? Or hula hoops?
No, I do like hula hoops.
Wow. Wow, wow. Just wow. Look at that, Les. Are you excited?
Oh, I'm so excited. Are you getting wet?
Yes. Look at that.
Oh, Will.
There's Cabana Bay.
Look at the little water fountains there.
Oh, right in front, yeah.
Yeah, they've got lights in them and stuff.
But that's really cool to look at night. I'm going to hold my camera out the way before I get wet. Today's parking hours are 10 till 7, but we're on the 30th of October. And as of the 1st of November, it's going to change to 10 till 6, I believe. So you lose an hour. Obviously, it's getting a bit cooler. Golden rule, wear it, use it, return it. You're not allowed to take these home. But Leslie has just pointed out that these look like Tamagotchis.
It's just the grey, like the light grey background and then like the dark grey writing. It just reminded me of Tamagotchis. Everyone had a Tamagotchi, didn't they?
Who had a Tamagotchi? Put your comments down below.
Put your hands up.
Wow. It's really, really windy here today. And as you can see, the trees are blowing all over the place. But look at this Volcano Bay. I mean, we've seen vlogs on this, but really, you just can't take it in unless you're really here. The water cascading down is just beautiful, it really is. This is from the entrance to the park as you walk in, and as you turn around, you've got Volcano Bay right in front of you. If you guys are hiring a cabana, then you need to go to the concierge right here, and they will be more than happy to assist you and escort you over to your cabana. So the lady who's just checked us in has told us that it's so quiet today, it's almost unheard of, but probably because the temperature is going to be really low today, so it's going to be lucky to hit the 80s, or in our terms 18 degrees Celsius. But as you see, we've got no wait times on the board behind us, which is really good. But the aqua coaster is actually temporarily closed. I'm going to find out why, but hopefully, there we are, it's temporarily closed, but hopefully that's not going to be all day. Hopefully it's just for a short period of time. Well, this is cool. Even the drains in the floor have got the Volcano Bay logos on it. Awesome. I think this guy here is going to deliver our hamper upstairs. What do you think? Here's our cabana. We are on the upper floor, and this is our view at the minute. Okay, so we can see straight over there, we've obviously got the volcano and Cabana Bay, and there's actually two cabanas up here, so we haven't rented that side, that's somebody else. But as you come up the stairs from down here, you are greeted by your cabana. On the left hand side you've got some complimentary towels. At the top here you've got a locker and a fridge which is supplied with water. Over here you've got your tapu to check into rides, and you can order drinks, view the park map, etc. Down here, we won't be using it today, but there's a switch that puts on this fan as well. But in front of us we have our welcome pack, which that man did deliver for us, which is pretty cool. Do you like it, Les?
It's amazing. Look at the cookie. Did you have a bite out of that?
No, look, it's just broken off. You've just opened it.
Oh yeah.
So,
That's good
we've got some
cookie.
pastries on here, we've got some fruit, we've got some muffins with walnuts in it, and a big cookie. It says welcome. Now I just want to say a quick thing about the locker, which is I think quite valuable. It's actually quite a big locker, which is really good. So we've got two large rucksacks in there, That just gives you an idea of space. But to lock your locker, you just use your tapu band and you press it in like so, and that clicks and it stays in. Nobody else can unlock it. What this means when you have a party of say 6 or 7 is that somebody else wants to come back and unlock it, which might be in your party.
Yeah, so it's only going to be registered to the band that's already locked it the first time. So it just means that you'll just have to obviously get that one off them.
Yeah, so mine locks it and unlocks it, but Lelly can come along and she can lock it if she wishes. You have to hold it in and then you wait for it to click, and that's it. So that's us settled in now. We're going to change over to the GoPro and we're going to go and have some fun in the water. So this is not Volcano Bay related, but I have to wear earplugs because I can't get water in my ears. If I get water in my ears, then I get ear infections. So that's part of the reason why I'm actually hard of hearing. So I'm going to check out some of these. So if you see something in my ears, it's probably going to be one of these. I'll tell you something, it is lovely and warm in here. It really is. Like, because it's so windy, it's really put like a bit of a chill factor on today. Yes, the aqua-coast is back on. So we're going to have to tap into that very shortly, use our tapu, and we can check into that ride. Yes, you can see it going up there, how awesome. But let's hope we don't get caught out by this new wave machine. Come on, drop it. Oh, it's coming. That's how we do it. You really need to be over the right hand side for it to happen. Right, we're going to need to tap into the aqua coaster. I kid you not, we've just done 2 water rides and they are awesome. We've just done the big blue one, I'll insert the name down below. We've also done the aqua slide, which I'm sure is called Krakatoa. Absolutely brilliant. Guys, it is so windy today, and to be frank with you, when we're up in the Cabana, it was absolutely freezing cold while we were up there.
It's quite unbearable, really.
Quite unbearable. So we're going to cut a day short, but this is not the end of the Volcano Bay vlog. We're going to continue this on next week, but you guys should see it now.
Oh yeah.
So this is part 2, isn't it? We're going to check out Oh Yeah and Oh No. Currently a 20-minute wait at the minute, but this is what we get to ride on. There's basically a green tube and a purple tube, and the green tube has a drop, but then this one has an even bigger drop. Oh yeah. Did you like that?
That's so faster.
So how was that?
Oh, it's brilliant.
Did you enjoy it?
So much fun. I think that one's faster than the other one.
What about the drop?
Yeah,
Just to put in perspective, look, there's the drop. You see the height difference, it's almost twice the height. What do you think?
Amazing.
Have I got to go and do it?
Yes, you have. Is that good?
Hey?
Is that good?
That was brilliant.
So much fun.
Oh.
So much fun.
How do I get so much water up my nose? It's unreal. It really is.
But what a brilliant ride. Brilliant water slides. Now see, oh yeah, and the oh no.
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
So we're going to check out the Kohala Reef. If I pronounce that right, Kohala. I don't know. But yeah, it's a restaurant social club, but Lelly spotted pizza. So let's go and check it out. Why can they not sell this in the UK? Look, ranch Heinz dip. I mean, This should be compulsory with any fast food outlet. And mayo. Anyway, so here's the chicken tenders and chips combo, or fries. We've just got a regular Coke. And Lelly's gone for...
chicken curry. The coconut chicken curry.
Does it smell nice?
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
Tastes good. Tastes a bit like Thai green curry.
I would give that a huge 10 out of 10. How was yours?
Yeah, it was lovely. It had grilled banana. Well, it's like deep fried banana with it. It was lovely. Completely different taste.
So here is Cracker 2. There's currently a 50-minute wait at the minute, but yes, and it's telling us now 45 minutes already.
Okay.
So next return time 55 minutes on Tapu Tapu, but on our wristwatch it's telling us 40 minutes. It just keeps going down. Well, I can deal with that. I kid you not, this has to be the best rapid ride lazy river ever. I mean, it's just brilliant. You can either jump in the hoop like so, or you can just sit back and relax. And that's what I plan on doing. And I'm waiting for Les to pull me under the water. Thank you, Lelly. Appreciate that. Thank you. It's gotta come. No? Not coming? There it is! Whoa!
Let's go around again.
We have to go around. There's a song in there somewhere. Let's go round again. See, this is what it's all about, having fun whilst waiting another 20 minutes for Cracker 2. And we can do that whilst chilling out in the lazy river. Whoa. 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 This really does have to be the best lazy river ever. Fearless River is the real name. Wow. That was a good one.
That's a real good one.
That was a good one, wasn't it? Oh, sway! I'm spinning. Just look at that view of the volcano. I keep calling it a castle.
Yeah. Mountain castle.
This ride is absolutely incredible. It really is. And this is some of the best. We have some of the best aquacoasters here at Volcano Bay. That fast down that big drop just then that the water actually hurts when it hits your face. Best ride ever, best 1 minute ever. A holiday wouldn't be a holiday without a cocktail.
How lovely is this?
It's just bliss.
So Will's got a delicious cocktail and I too have a cheeky cocktail. What's it like?
coconut and pineapple and rum.
Oh, lovely.
So nice, it really is.
I'll try my one. That is good. So I went for the tiki punch, which is rum and more rum with cranberry juice and pineapple juice. And Will, what do you go for?
Pineapple.
Oh yeah, you went for the pineapple, didn't you? Yum, yum, yum.
So we have had an absolutely amazing time in Volcano Bay, and we honestly think that this is our most favourite water park in Florida. So your tapu will actually buzz you as you're getting towards the exit of the park, which is just here, and it will buzz you to remind you not to leave the park with your tapu attached. In actual fact, here is the exit here. Thanks very much. Thank you. And you now walk through these tapu wearable detectors, and these boxes just here will just detect whether you've got a tapu on your wrist or not.
So the tapu scanners were only installed about a month ago. Allegedly the business has lost millions of dollars because people were stealing them.
Yeah.
That's
it.
good, isn't it?
But look at this for a view of Volcano Bay as the sun's going down. We can
And
just
the clouds are rolling in.
clouds are rolling. It's a little bit eerie.
I think it might rain.
It might. And we're in that hotel just there on floor number 4, I think we are. We're looking over the castle. We're looking over the volcano.
FYI, the glass, you can see through it. It's not one of them glasses where it's like you can see out but they can't see in. We can see in. We see everything.